You are welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Have you ever walked through a spring garden and suddenly noticed the sweet scent of grape, like blossoms drifting through the air? That unforgettable fragrance often belongs to Sophora Secundiflora, a stunning evergreen plant commonly known as the Texas Mountain Laurel. For gardeners across the United States who want something unique, beautiful, and surprisingly resilient, Sophora Secundiflora offers an incredible experience. With its glossy green leaves, striking purple flower clusters, and remarkable drought tolerance, this plant can transform a garden into something truly memorable. For many beginner gardeners, the idea of growing ornamental, flowering shrubs or small trees can feel intimidating. Questions about sunlight, watering, soil, pruning, and seasonal care often create uncertainty, but the truth is that Sophora Secundiflora is far more forgiving than many people expect. With a little understanding of its natural preferences and some simple gardening habits, even a new gardener can grow this plant successfully and enjoy its breathtaking spring blooms. Sophora Secundiflora is native to parts of the southern United States and northern Mexico, where it naturally thrives in warm climates with well-drained soils. Because of its adaptability and resilience, it has become increasingly popular in landscapes across many regions of the country. Gardeners love it not only for its beauty but also for its durability and relatively low maintenance needs once established. When starting your journey with Sophora Secundiflora, the first and most important step is selecting the right location in your garden. This plant thrives in areas that receive plenty of sunlight. Ideally, it should receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight each day. Bright sunlight helps the plant produce strong growth, maintain its dense, evergreen foliage, and develop the famous fragrant blossoms that appear in early spring. While Sophora Secundiflora enjoys full sunlight, it can also tolerate partial shade, especially during extremely hot afternoons in warmer climates. However, too much shade may reduce flowering and lead to slower growth. For the best results, gardeners often choose a spot that receives strong morning sunlight and open sky exposure throughout the day. Temperature also plays an important role in the health of Sophora Secundiflora. The plant thrives in warm climates and handles heat exceptionally well once established. In fact, it is known for tolerating dry conditions and high temperatures better than many other flowering shrubs. Ideal growing temperatures range between 60 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, making it particularly suitable for southern regions of the United States. However, Sophora Secundiflora can also tolerate mild winter conditions in regions with occasional frost. Mature plants often survive without major problems. Young plants, however, may benefit from some protection during their early years if extremely cold temperatures are expected. Another key factor in successfully growing Sophora Secundiflora is soil preparation. This plant strongly prefers well-drained soil. In its natural habitat, it often grows in rocky or limestone soils where water drains quickly. Because of this, gardeners should avoid planting it in areas where water tends to collect after rain. If the soil in your garden is heavy or clay-based, adding organic materials such as compost or sand can improve drainage. Raised beds can also provide a helpful solution for improving soil structure and preventing root problems caused by excess moisture. Planting Sophora Secundiflora typically begins with a young nursery plant rather than seeds, since seed germination can be slow and unpredictable. When planting a young tree or shrub, you dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and gently place the plant into the soil. The root crown should sit level with the ground surface to ensure proper growth. Once planted, watering becomes an essential part of helping the plant establish strong roots. During the first growing season, consistent watering helps the roots expand into the surrounding soil. The soil should remain slightly moist, but never overly wet. Deep watering once or twice per week is often sufficient, depending on local weather conditions. After the plant becomes established, Sophora Secundiflora becomes surprisingly drought-tolerant. Many mature plants require very little supplemental watering except during extended dry periods. This characteristic makes it a valuable choice for gardeners interested in water-efficient landscapes. Fertilizing Sophora Secundiflora is usually simple and should be done sparingly because the plant naturally grows in nutrient-poor soils. Excessive fertilizer can sometimes encourage excessive leaf growth while reducing flowering. A balanced slow-release fertilizer applied once in early spring is usually more than enough to support healthy development. Pruning is another aspect of care that helps maintain the shape and health of the plant. Sophora Secundiflora typically grows into a dense shrub or small tree with multiple branches. Light pruning can help shape the plant and encourage better airflow between branches. The best time to prune is shortly after the flowering season ends. Removing dead or crowded branches helps maintain a strong structure and allows sunlight to reach the inner portions of the plant. However, heavy pruning should generally be avoided because the plant naturally develops an attractive form on its own. One of the most magical moments in growing Sophora Secundiflora occurs when the plant begins blooming. In early spring, clusters of purple flowers appear along the branches, creating a spectacular display of color. The blossoms often release a fragrance similar to grape soda, which fills the surrounding garden with a delightful scent. These flowers attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, adding movement and life to the garden environment. For many gardeners, the blooming season becomes a highlight of the year and a reminder of the rewards that patience and proper care can bring. Although Sophora Secundiflora is generally a hardy plant, gardeners may occasionally encounter minor challenges. One common issue involves slow early growth. This plant naturally grows slowly during its early years as it focuses on developing a strong root system. Patience is essential during this stage because once established, the plant becomes much more resilient. Another potential issue involves yellowing leaves, which may occur if the soil remains too wet for extended periods. Improving drainage and reducing watering frequency usually resolves this problem quickly. Pests are rarely a serious concern for Sophora Secundiflora, but occasionally insects such as scale or caterpillars may appear. In most cases, these pests can be managed with simple gardening solutions such as gentle washing with water or using natural insect control methods. As the years pass and the plant matures, Sophora secundiflora becomes a striking feature in any landscape. Its evergreen leaves provide year-round greenery, while its spring flowers deliver a burst of color and fragrance that few other plants can match. For beginner gardeners, growing Sophora secundiflora offers more than just an attractive plant. It teaches the essential lessons of patience, observation, and understanding nature's rhythms. Watching a young plant gradually grow into a mature flowering tree creates a sense of accomplishment that few gardening experiences can match. Gardening itself becomes more meaningful when plants like Sophora secundiflora become part of the landscape. Each season brings subtle changes, from fresh spring growth to summer greenery and the anticipation of future blooms. And perhaps most importantly, growing plants encourages people to slow down and reconnect with the natural world. Even a few moments spent in the garden observing leaves, soil, and sunlight can bring a sense of calm and satisfaction. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.